Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a review of the Kat Von D Dagger liner. This thing intrigued me so much when I tried it at Sephora and I kind of love it. So I wanted to share it with you. If you are like me and you are liquid liner challenged, then, which I think most of us are, even the best of the best, I think there is, you know, and everybody kind of has their preference if you like a felt tip or a brush tip or, yeah. So this one is that brush tip, but it is thin, it is angled, and it's just different. So it really is unique. And if you're familiar with the tattoo liner from Kat Von D, then I think it has the same staying power. It's just got a different way of applying it. Okay, so let me see if I can show you. It's kind of beveled. See how thin it is or how small it is. And I am going to just, and you see how when you turn it to its side, and I mean, you really do get a lot of control. You can do it kind of thick. I mean, that's not even that thick. So that's just like, I feel like this is more precise than normal. So I'm going to zoom you in and let's give her a try. Just to kind of compare. So Wonder 2, this is their liquid liner. This is very, you know, standard in terms of a felt tip liner. And you can see like it's still great, but it's a little bit thicker, and ooh, there I went really thin. Like that was, I barely touched my hand. But you know, when you kind of, it just depends on how careful you are and your precision. So you can make that actually pretty thin as well. But yeah, so this one's actually really good, but I want to see how thin I can get this. And what I usually do is I look down, so I'll have a mirror down, and I rest my hand and I start kind of the middle, but I want to get really, really, really close to my lash line. And then when I get in the inner corner, that's where the thin part. Now, even since we can go through and we can just kind of try to blend it. There are a couple dogs outside my window barking. When you add mascara, it helps to blend the lash line. Essence Super Curl. This side, I think, is a little bit thinner. And then if you use like a really, this is the Pixie mascara, and if you use like a really thin mascara wand, you can get at the base and blend because my pet peeve is when I can see lash line under my liner, you know? I want to get as close to my lash base as possible. I mean, wow. And it's not bleeding, nor is the Wonder 2, but I mean, it doesn't do that feathery thing. Alrighty guys, I just wanted to share that with you. The Dagger tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I think it's really cool. I think that if you need something so precise and that's not gonna budge, that's not gonna bleed, I really think this is worth the $20. And then of course there are some really good drugstore options, but you know, yeah. And this is a Tattoo Junkie lip gloss that's very, very pink. Hi. Just thought I'd share that with you too. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me any questions, comments, and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope you have subscribed to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.